Would you walk into a new restaurant and say, "What's for dinner?" Probably not. You might ask, "What's your favorite dish?" If you go into a marine dealership, you're not going to ask them, "What's the best boat for a beginner boater?" But would you? Stick around to find out more. Hi, I'm Sean from Cove Lessons in Boating, and we get asked all the time, what are the best boats for beginning boaters? And I'm going to go over the 5 most common in our marketplace in Eastern Ontario, so basically northern boating, for beginner boaters. And I'm not saying they're the best boats for you, but what's the most common? Boat number 1, the Personal WaterCraft. So many people start their boating journey on a Personal WaterCraft. It's inexpensive, relatively speaking. It gives you that opportunity to get out on the water and to explore, and often is a great bridge into getting into boating. So we find all kinds of people who have never owned boats before start with a Personal WaterCraft or a pair of them. The second most popular is a used Bowrider. Used Bowriders are plentiful. They are often relatively inexpensive to operate. They're versatile insofar as you can use them for water sports, fishing, cruising, entertaining your friends and family, and they have a very robust resale market. So a used Bowrider is never a bad choice for one of your first boats. Next, Pontoon Boat. Pontoon boats are the fastest growing market segment in the boating industry, and one of the reasons is that they are so versatile and so comfortable. You can have large groups of people. The performance now is significantly better now that we have tri-tunes and larger horsepowers, and they hold their value better than almost any market segment. Boat number 4, a fish and ski. Whether you're talking about aluminum hull or a fiberglass hull, fish and ski boats have so much versatility. Maybe you think you may want to become a great fisherman, or maybe you have a family that wants to do water sports and cruise. The fish and ski does allow you to do both very well, and it is a lower production volume, so the resale value remains relatively high because there aren't that many of them out on the market. The last of the top 5 boats for beginner boaters is a small center console. We put this on the list just because life is so easy with a small center console. Whether you're going out into big water or you're navigating lakes or rivers, it does give you that ability to go one side of the boat or the other very quickly. It's very easy for you to clean and maintain. It almost never has any canvas to put on. And realistically, it is just such a fun and easy boat to operate that it makes the top 5 list for beginner boaters. So if you were boating on a river in northern British Columbia, none of these boats would be right for you. And there's all kinds of other places in the world where this list of top 5 would not apply. However, for a lot of boaters in a lot of places around North America, these 5 boats are going to be your top choices for you to get into boating and experience if that lifestyle is right for you. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more. And thanks for joining us on today's Cove Lessons in Boating. Hopefully you picked the right boat for you, and we'll see you out on the water.